Following the deadly EF4 tornado that hit a candle factory in Mayfield, it's going to be a long road to recovery for survivors like Jamie Rudolph. She was pinned under debris, rescued, and rushed to the hospital at Vanderbilt. To this day, she still wears a brace around her torso.
I just worry about my recovery. That's all I'm worried about right now. I try not to worry about nothing else.
In Sky 5 video, you can see where vehicles were tossed across debris fields.
I found my car. It was totaled.
On News Channel 5, we ran an update on Jamie's rehabilitation and mentioned she was struggling to find a new car. A man from Clarksville called the newsroom after hearing her story. He wanted to give her one for free.
There is good people out there.
They met at the DMV in Carlisle County, Kentucky, and snapped some photos with the gifted Lincoln Continental.
He said he had one that had 400,000 miles on it. So, I mean, he keeps his in immaculate shape.
She was touched by his kindness.
He paid for my tags on my car and everything. He paid my sales tax and everything on that car.
Barry Sisselman told me he does not want any recognition. He said Jamie knows and the good Lord above knows, which is what matters.
I cried. I told him, I kept on thanking him and telling him, I said you was very a blessing to me. I said, because I really didn't know how I was going to ever get another car.
In the midst of so much tragedy, Jamie hopes this warms hearts to know acts of kindness are still happening everywhere.
You just got to be patient. There is people out there that will help.
Reporting in Nashville, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.
Something to smile about. Once her back is healed, Jamie says she looks forward to driving her new car to Missouri to visit her parents.